Hey everyone, today we are unboxing and reviewing the Fanttik X100 Mix cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Let's check out what makes this little powerhouse stand out. Inside the box, you'll find the X100 vacuum unit, a couple of attachments, a charging cable, a HEPA filter, and a user manual as well as carrying bag to help you get started. This vacuum has a sleek and modern design with a comfortable grip, making it easy to hold and maneuver. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for quick cleanups around the house and your car. With its HEPA filter, the X100 Mix captures fine dust and allergens, which is a great feature especially for those who suffer from allergies and want to keep their car air clean. For the battery life, you can expect anything around 20 to 30 minutes of use on a full charge, which is more than enough for a quick and efficient car cleaning. Setting up is super easy. Just charge it for 3 hours, pick your unit, pick the attachment, and you're ready to clean. It feels premium in hand with solid build quality. The material used feels sturdy and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. The suction power on this vacuum is really impressive. It picks up everything from small crumbs to large debris and pet hair, ensuring a thorough cleaning inside your car. This vacuum and blower is designed specifically for cars. It feels sturdy and robust with a durable exterior that can handle car cleaning duties. Plus, it has added bonus of blower function, allowing you to easily blow out debris from hard to reach areas like vents under the seats or around the dashboard. Overall, the Fanttik X100 Mix cordless car vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for keeping your car spotless. Its powerful suction, blower functions, and compact design make it perfect for tackling all kinds of messes inside your car. That wraps up our review of the Fanttik X100 Mix cordless car vacuum cleaner. It's clear that this vacuum has a lot to offer when it comes to both suction power and the added convenience of the blower function. Whether you're tackling crumbs, pet hair, or dust in those hard to reach car spots, it definitely makes the job easier. If you have any questions or thoughts about the X100 Mix, feel free to drop them down below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you're looking for more product reviews and helpful tips, make sure you stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.